Hello math learners, so for today's video we are going to proceed in lesson 27 in mathematics 10, and that is all about the calculating measures of position. So that is included quartiles, deciles, and percentiles. So ngayon mamadali na rin natin yung discussions for grade 10. So sa mga baguhan pala sa channel ko, you may visit my mathematics 10 playlist, yung mga grade 10 students dyan, para update kayo from lesson 1 from lesson last. Okay, let us proceed. So first we are going to compute the measures of position of ungrouped data. So start tayo sa quartile. So the quartiles are the score points which drive a distribution into 4 equal parts. So 25%, the 25% is the distribution falls below the first quartile. Okay, this is your 25%. The 50% is your second quartile. Then your third quartile is the 75%. Okay, so since the second quartile is equal to the median, so median is the middle, the steps in computation of median by identifying the median class is the same as identifying the quartile 1 class and the quartile 3 class. So ayun, nakita nyo may 25%, 50%, and 75%. So automatic, this is 100%. Okay. Again, this is 75. Paano ba yan? 50 and 25. Okay, so formula, by finding the quartile 1, so you just multiply, and so you just add the value of the number into 1 and multiply it 1/4. Ito naman, ano yan, 1/2 times and plus 1. So we're add the number of data or element. Okay, so yun, sasabi ko lang kanina. So find the first quartile, second quartile, and the third quartile. Give the scores of 10 students in their math activity. So we have 5, 8, 15, 11, 7, 1, 4, 6, 13. So first step, arrange natin. Arrange the scores from lowest to highest. Okay, so yan, determine natin. Kapag wala pa naman tayo na-encounter na repeated element. So steps to find the quartile values on a data with n elements or number of data or scores. So step 1 is locate the position using the formula. So ilan po muna? Ilan lahat? The total number. The number of elements. So isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, pito, walo, siyam, sampu. It has 10 elements. You are going to find now the first quartile. So ito, the n, so 10 plus 1 is 11, so 2.75, then estimate it to the nearest one, then quartile y is in the third term. The result, okay, the result stand as the term of the term, the quartile. So this is your third term. So ano pa yung third term nyo? 1, 2, 3, so 5. Then your quartile 1 is 5. Middle quartile or the second quartile is in the middle score. So if n is odd, get the number on the given position. So since quartile 2 is equal to middle score, so n is equal to 10, and that is even. So that is between 5 to 6 and 6. So the fifth quartile, the fifth term is 7. The fifth term is 7. Then the 8. Then sixth term is 8. So quartile 2, 7 plus 8 is 15. So that is between 5 and 6. So the quartile 2 is 7.5. Okay, you may also try another technique. So that 1/2. Okay, dito natin sulat. So 1/2 times n plus 1. So, where n is equal to 10. So, i-ano natin, shortcutin na natin ha. So, 10. So, 10 plus, okay. So, 10 plus 1 is 11. Tama? 10 plus 1 is 11. So, multiply nyo. So, we have 11 over 2. So, if you're going to divide it, so that is 5.5. So, your quartile 2 or the median is in the 5.5th term. So, that is between from 5 and 6. This is your quartile 2. Of course, 7.5. Sabi nga dun sa given kanina, di ba? Yung inyong para ma-determine nyo. Okay. Upper quartile, so quartile 3, so 3/4. Okay, 3/4. Oh. And rounding down to the nearest integer. Okay, such as the nearest one. So plus 11 times 33 over 4. So divide. You have 8.5. So similar to 8. So quartile 3 is in the 8th term. So ano pong 11. So that is, this is your quartile 3. Okay, ganun po yung computation. So kung nung nakaraang video ko ng grade 10 ay nalito kayo, kasi illustration pa lang yun eh. Medyo magulo pa. Ngayon, computation na. Sorry. Aking SD card. Okay, so another example. So given the scores of 12 students on their mathematics summative test, find their quartile 1, 2, and 3. So first, arrange the given data in ascending order from lowest to highest. In this case, so it has a repeating elements. How many? So meron tayong 8. So ganito ang arrangement. So 6. So pagsamahin nyo na yun, 8, 8. What's the next? 9, 10, 10. So since dalawa yung 10 eh. 11, 11. So 12, 14, 15, 17. So yung repeating, so pagsamahin nyo lang. So by finding the first, so ilan po lahat? So 4, 8, 12. 4, 8, 12. It has 12 elements. So 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 divided by 4 is 3.25, or that is in the fourth term. So this is your fourth term. So your quartile 1 is 9. Next, quartile 2, the middle score, so that is 10.5. So kasi ginawa po dito, so 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So ito yon, ito between this. So rather, kahit itry nyo yung itong technique na to, so yung other technique, so 1/2, so shortcutin na natin, times 13. So 12 plus 1 is 13. 8. Tama. 12 plus 1 is 13. So 13 divided by 2. So 13 divided by 2. So your median is in the what do you call this? So 13 divided by 2 is 6.5. Is in the 6.5 term. So 4, 5, 6. So yours. So that is between. So now, nabura. So okay, so by the way, kung mapapansin nyo, bakit po pagka median, hindi po natin siya ine-estimate gaya neto, saka neto. So, kasi kung i-apply nyo siya dito, at halimbawa kung i-consider natin yung 7th term, that's not fair. Kasi kailangan sa gitna, kailangan exact ang ito naman, so 13 times 39 over 4, so 9.75, and that is all. So this is your quartile 3. Now, next. So, decile naman tayo. Paano pag-decile? So, 10. Kasi sa quartile, ilan po? That is quarters. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ito naman is has 10. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, the deciles are the 9 score points which divide a distribution into 10 equal parts. They are deciles and notated as 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. They are computed in the same way as how quartiles are calculated. The first decile is the 10th percentile. So it means 10% of the data is less than or equal to the value of P sub 10 or D sub 1 and so on. So nakikita niyo yun. Find the third decile of decile 3 of the following test scores of the random examples of test 2. So, una muna, arrange siya from highest to lowest. Then, locate the position. So, di ba kahit naman siguro sa exam in real life, ina-arrange natin siya from highest to lowest, di ba? Or lowest to highest. So, locate the position using the formula D sub K. So, where K is equal 3, and n is equal to 10. So, yung 3, saan po natin ako decile 3? Okay. So, because the computed position is decimal 3.3. So, ito yung result natin. So, 33 divided by 10 is 3.3. So, now, because the computed position is decimal 3.3, meaning you are looking for the scores between 3 and 4. So, 3.3 is between 3 to 4. 3 to 4 term. Okay. So, 3 to 4. So, since the result is decimal number, interpolation is needed. So, interpolate the number to obtain the third decile. So, third decile, hinaghanap po natin yung third decile. Okay, so subtract the third data from fourth data. Okay, 29 minus 7. So, kasi ang naging result nyo decimal, hindi naman pwede yon. Kasi siguro sa siguro doon sa quartile, applicable na ang interpolation. Kapag ganito ang lumalabas yung decimal, so from that, so 3.3 nga yung result natin, so hindi naman pwede yon. So, subtract. So, nasubtract natin 29 minus 7. So, sabi nga natin is 3.3 term. Diba? That is between third to fourth term. So, now, ano po yung 0.3? Yung nagpa-decimal sa kanya. Okay, so, yung result natin, the difference of the from the fourth term to third data. So, 2 times 0.3 is 0.6. Add the result B in step B, so 27 plus 0.6 or the smaller number, so 27.6. So therefore, your decile 3 is 27.6. Ito po yung decile 3 nyo dito. So that is between. So possibly dito ang inyong decile 3. Which is the same as percentile 30, sub 30, so the 30th percentile. So, if I need to solve decile 7.7, so 7.7 is between 7 and 8. So, what is your 7th term and 8th term? So, 38, okay, 30, ito, that is between from here. So, then, yung nagpaano sa kanya, yung 0.7. So, 5 times 0.7 is 3.5. So, 3.5 plus 33 is 36.5. So, therefore, your decile 7 is 36.5. Okay. So, I think dito na lang natin ano. Your decile 7 or your percentile 70. Next, percentile. So, the percentiles are the 99 score points which divide a distribution into 100 parts. Each part represents 1/100 of a data set. It is used to characterize values according to the percentage below them. For example, the first percentile of percentile 1 separates the lowest 1% from the other 99%. The second percentile or separate the lowest 2% from the other 98% and so on. So, ito naman yung sa inyong percentile. 1 divided by 100. Where P is the percentile rank and N is the number of elements, here are the steps. Arrange the data from, as usual, from smallest to largest. Use the formula K times 1. Depende kung hahanapin natin. To determine the position of the unknown percentile in the distribution. Interpolate the data if the obtained position in step 2 is a decimal number. So, paano po tayo mag-interpolate? So, subtract the value of those between siya, the higher to lower, and multiply to the attempt decimal, and so, next given na to. And multiply yung difference dun sa lower number. So, find the 40th percentile or P sub 40 of the following test scores of a random sample of 10 students. So, here. So, first ay i-arrange muna natin siya 1 to 10. So, now, try na po natin yung 40 since ito yung So, we have where K is equal to 40. So, 40, so 10 plus 1 is 11 times 40, that is 440 divided by 100, and that is 4.4. So, 1, 2. So, 4.4. Tama lang. So, 4.4, the position is unknown percentile is between 4th and 5th term, or 4th or 5th term. The 4.4, which are the 25 and 20. So, kasi hindi naman siya exacto, we are going to interpolate. So, yung 4.4 term. Wala naman 4.4, nabubulol ako. 4.4 term. So, ano pong gagawin natin? Interpolate. Kasi wala naman kayo makikita dyan. Tansyahin nyo yun. So, 5 minus 4, 5 theta and minus 4 theta, so 28 minus 25 is 3. Bigger minus smaller, always positive. Hindi pwede magne-negative yan. Multiply the result in step A by the decimal part in the final result. So, ano po ang nagpa-decimal sa kanya? Ito, di ba? So, yung difference ay minultiply natin sa decimal part. So, 0.4 is that is 1.2. So, now, i-add nyo yan and we have 26.2. So, 26.2. Okay, so 26.2 is your 26.2 is your percentile point. Okay. Ngayon, group data naman tayo. So, maybe discuss na natin to in my next video as the continuation.